Well, welcome to Python Data Analytics. Well, it sounds like we're going to immediately start programming in Python. Well, no. This is a business course. You are business students. The first thing a business analyst has to consider is how was the data created? Once you have an understanding of how data is created, you can examine the data and provide input in the creation of the data. This way of thinking exists in every domain of data creation. So think about sports data. How is that data created? Well, the players are put into a team. The coach calls plays. They play against another team whose coach also calls plays. Well, what is the outcome of each of these pair of plays? Are there certain players that are better in certain conditions than other players? If I switch those players into the play, does the outcome change? So we are more focused on the process of the game and the inputs into the process. It's the same for any type of data that's created. What this course attempts to convey is process understanding leads any questions that are asked about the data. We don't stumble around data looking for a question. We ask questions and determine what types of data we need and what tools we need. And in this case, Python may be one of those tools. We're going to look at business processes and the data that comes from these processes. You, the analyst, are going to develop your own questions and attempt to answer those questions, and the tool of choice in this course is Python. You may look at it and say, I could have done this in Excel, or I could have done this in Tableau or Alteryx or some other tool. That's a good thing to be always thinking about. In this particular course, we're going to focus our attention on the tool, which is going to be Python. Yeah, this course is not designed to turn you into Python programmers. If you want advanced Python, you're in the wrong course. If you already know basic Python and want to take your programming abilities to the next level, you're in the wrong course. We're using Python as a tool to answer your analytics questions. One of the most important elements of this course is not you memorizing and regurgitating code for an exam, but for you to develop a business question, create and document the logic to answer that question. Go out and find Python code online. I don't want you memorizing Python code. I want to teach you how to find the code, to build out the logic, and to answer a question. And then, critically, how to effectively communicate your logic and answer the decision-making authority of the company. That might be the CEO, the CFO, whoever you're working for. If this doesn't sound interesting to you at all, then you're in the wrong course. Now, I'll provide more details on the deliverables for the course in later videos or later classes. One of the key things I want you to remember. First, I don't give exams for this type of course. This is a senior level, graduate level course. The project you complete is a solo project. It's not a group project. 100% of your grade rests on this project. If that makes you nervous, you might not want to take this course. Second, anyone can learn Python with the right motivation and a targeted project. I learned Python in order to teach this course because I love learning new things, and I really enjoyed putting this course together for you. If an old man like me can learn some basic Python, so can you. So sit back, enjoy some of these videos, enjoy the interactive discussions that we have either in class or on office hours. And I'm hoping you enjoy this course as much as I did putting it together.